Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to learn how to make another Crumbl copycat cookie recipe, but this time it's the chilled Twix flavor. The base is a perfectly chewy sugar cookie with chunks of Twix baked in that give you the perfect crunch. Then they're topped off with a gooey caramel, some creamy milk chocolate, and a sprinkle of sea salt to balance it all. If Twix is your favorite chocolate, you're really going to love these, so let's start making them. In a large mixing bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, which includes all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk that all together and set it aside. Then to another large mixing bowl, we're going to add some unsalted butter, light brown sugar, and white granulated sugar. Using the paddle attachment on your stand mixer or a hand mixer, you're going to beat it until it's light and fluffy just like this, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the vanilla extract and your eggs, and you're going to beat it again until it looks super smooth just like this. Also make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl with a rubber spatula between adding ingredients in to make sure everything is incorporated really well. Then we'll add all our dry ingredients together and just mix it until a dough comes together. Now, instead of adding chocolate chips to our dough, we're going to add chopped up Twix pieces. I used 6 ounces of Twix, which ended up being 1 1/2 cup after being chopped, and that is equivalent to 2 king-size packs of Twix. Once it's all chopped up, we're going to add it to our dough and mix it one final time. Now you'll cover it tightly and pop it in the fridge or freezer for about 20 to 25 minutes just so it firms up a little bit. Then you'll scoop out equal portions of the dough, and I like to use an ice cream scoop for larger cookies, and this recipe will make about 20 of them. Place 6 cookies at a time on a parchment-lined baking sheet and pop in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit to bake for about 8 to 9 minutes. Right when they come out of the oven, I like to bang the pan a few times to create that crinkle effect, but this step is completely optional. Allow them to set on the tray for about 5 minutes before moving them. Once they're all baked, transfer it to one big tray, cover, and pop it in the fridge or freezer to chill. While they chill, we're going to make our caramel, which is super simple. You're just going to add these soft chewy caramels and some heavy cream to a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave in 30-second intervals, making sure to stir it in between each one until it looks super smooth and creamy like this. For the chocolate layer, it's even easier. You're just going to add some milk chocolate chips to a microwave-safe bowl and pop it in the microwave at 50% power in 30-second intervals. Stir in between each time until it's super smooth and melted like this. Take the cookies out of the fridge and spread about a tablespoon or more of caramel on top of each cookie. If the caramel firms up really well on the cookie, then you can move on to the chocolate. If not, then just pop them in the fridge for a few more minutes and come back. Now we're going to add our tablespoon of milk chocolate and spread that on top, and I also like to add a sprinkle of sea salt to really balance all the flavors out since it is pretty sweet. Pop them in the fridge for a few minutes so the chocolate hardens, and then they're ready to enjoy. To store them, just transfer them into an airtight container and pop in the fridge to enjoy chilled the next day or for however long they last. And that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and if there's a recipe that you want to see next, let me know down below in the comments. On that note, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!